YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to review Logically Stupid That's Love. This romantic novel has been written by Shikha, whose debut novel He Fixed the Match, She Fixed Him has been my favorite since almost 2 years. This book is again a romantic novel that follows Kartik and Sahana. Kartik is a logic-driven person who cares more about his career, passion and making money, while Sahana is a love-driven person for whom there is nothing more than her love for this guy. The book is about how they fall in love and how everything between them comes out to be. If you want to know about an Indian book that delivers a great romantic story with an Indian touch, then keep watching this review. As usual, I will just talk about the points that I liked and didn't like about the book. I will not go into the plot of the book to keep this review spoiler free. So let's get started with this video. Although I do not have the physical copy of this book right now, but I do have a signed copy of this book which is lying somewhere around this house when I'm shooting this video. As I also attended the book launch, I know that there has been a lot of thought that has been put into designing the cover of this book. The author herself has put in a lot of effort to make sure that the cover of the book is such that it delivers what is the plot of the book, that is the fight between brain and heart. There are twists and unexpected but pleasant scenes in the book that will make the reader shriek with joy. What I really liked about the book is the detailed plot without diving into the details like George R.R. Martin, you know, the way he describes every setup. The author has described everything in a very nice manner. Only the things that drive the story and help you relate to the characters has been kept in the book. There is a meaning to every single incident that happens in the book, and that is so cool. Fun and light scenes have not just been put to entertain the reader but also to, you know, make the character, to describe the character properly. That's something I think a lot of authors miss, but this author didn't, probably because she is my favorite. I loved all the characters in the book, no matter how big or small their roles were. Although I did feel that there was a lack of negative character in the book. You know, everything was so positive. It could have been better, but it's okay. Maybe next time, Shikha, please note it. I want negative characters whom I can hate a lot. Overall, I think Logically Stupid That's Love is a great book with a story that will relate to Indian people and it would be loved by Indian audience. It presents a glimpse of how love happens in India, how your lives as a lover get affected by your career pursuits and what your families take on it. Pick up this book if you like to read love stories but with an Indian touch to them. I've also done the review of this book on my blog, so if you want to go into a little more details, just a little more details, you can check my review. I have put down the link in the description box down below. And also if you want to buy this book, feel free to use my affiliate links. I hope you enjoyed watching this review, and if you did, please make sure you hit thumbs up and share this video, and also let me know if you want me to review any other books because I would love to do that. I will read them first, then review them, and that might be negative, so authors, please beware. I hope you have subscribed to my channel till now, and I'll be back with another video. Till then, this is Manpreet signing off.